Full-track power trowels are essential for getting the job done right, and when it comes to keeping them in top shape, Rick Stats from Down Under Service and Repairs is the name you can trust. As the authorized service center, Rick and his team specialize in everything these powerful machines need, from routine maintenance and expert repairs to precision balancing that ensures smooth, efficient operation. Whether you're dealing with a minor adjustment, a major repair, or just need to fine-tune your equipment, Down Under Service and Repairs has the skills, tools, and experience to handle it all. Rick's deep understanding of full-track power trowels means you're getting service tailored specifically to your machine's needs, helping to extend its lifespan and maximize performance. What really sets them apart is their dedication to quality and customer satisfaction. They don't just fix problems, they provide solutions that keep your equipment running longer and stronger. Their balancing services, in particular, are unmatched, ensuring your full-track power trowel operates flawlessly on every job site. So, if you're looking for reliable, expert care for your full-track power trowels, Rick Stats and Down Under Service and Repairs are here to help. Balancing, repairs, maintenance, whatever you need, this is the place to go. Trust the professionals and keep your projects on track.